Discover the incredible freedom of living on over an acre in this beautiful Snohomish estate. A modern kitchen invites you inside with sleek gray cabinets and great style. The bright space features crisp white countertops that gleam under natural light. Prepare gourmet meals on the professional gas range found in this chef's kitchen. The spacious living area feels very airy. Large windows frame the lush green views found outside. An industrial chandelier hangs above the dining table with style. A brick fireplace serves as the cozy heart of the home for everyone. Relax in this comfortable room while you enjoy the warm fire. This versatile space works perfectly as a home office or a study area. The massive bonus room provides plenty of room. A cheerful bedroom offers a peaceful retreat for restful sleep all through the night. Another cozy room features a stylish accent wall that adds modern touches. The primary suite creates a serene sanctuary with space for a large bed. Soak your cares away in the jetted tub beneath two bright wood windows. Contact Kurt Simmons at Prime Listings Group to schedule your private tour of this estate.